Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. This one's a little different. This one's very unique and special. So we obviously are at Garage Defense Steel Nagoya, and there are two very unique, one of a kind cars here that I really wanted to dedicate a whole video to, because you just never get to see these kinds of things in person. They are so special and so rare and very expensive. But before we go any further, I need to introduce you to an Australian brother of mine. This is Abdul, everybody.
Sam, how you doing?
He's good. He's from down south in Melbourne, so normally Brisbane, like, you know, Queenslanders, and we never get along that great. Like, you guys are into AFL. It's kind of a little weird prancing around on the field.
That's right, you got the Broncos up there.
The Broncos, yeah. I mean, last I checked, they were doing okay, but...
Right.
So, Abdul.
Yo.
You're a part of JDM Masters Australia, right?
Correct.
And you work really closely with Garage Defend.
That's true.
Right, Dustin?
Yes, sir.
That's right. All right, cool. And I believe you know a few things about these. I think this one you guys just added to your inventory, which is super
That's correct.
cool.
That's a special car. We just finished building that one.
Yeah.
JDM Masters does do special builds, collectible cars only, and we're aiming on the highest top badge cars in the market.
That's awesome. And then this one is also very special, which I think Dustin was saying this is for sale on the Garage Defend, right?
Yes, sir. This is one of its kind, one of only one made 400R, extremely special, available for sale. And Abdul, being the expert here in this video, is gonna give you guys a lot more details about the
We'll
car.
go through this car together.
Yeah. We'll get through. We'll check out the one of one mines after this one. But yeah, Abdul, take it away.
Let's do it. Beautiful color. What do you reckon, Sam?
It is amazing, man. Just like, and obviously the really nice 33 GTR headlights, the ones that actually, in my opinion, look the best.
And this is xenon headlight.
Yeah.
This is one of the first that came out on the 33s.
Oh, really?
That's right. That's right. That was one of the special things about the 400R that came out with the xenon headlight. So that started the Series 3 production of these.
So good. All right, so like, I mean, this I think is just, the badge just stands for itself.
The badge, you're going to see that on the most iconic car, on 44 in the world. And this is the biggest giveaway. You can have replicas out there.
Yeah.
But obviously no one is going to replicate a 400 badge and put it out there. It's going to look silly. So this is
Hang on, can we just pause for a second?
Yeah.
We're from a place in the world where a lot of people will have the V6 Holden Commodore and put a Chevy badge on it. So, like, it'd be worse than that. But like,
right, let's get that.
sorry to put. All right. Anyways, all right. Pause. Unpause. All right. Back to the 400R.
So obviously the biggest giveaway, son, is the 400R badge right there. This guy is fantastic in every aspect. When we look at the front bumper, also Nissan designed this on purpose. It's not just, you know, holes for no reason. We got an air intake for cooling the radiators. We got oil coolers behind here.
All the ventilation.
That's right, and this is also to cool it down. Over here, this for the air, this is air cooling for the brakes. You got the carbon fiber surrounding. So
the ducting for the intercooler,
That's right. You don't see this. This is very rare. Also, Nismo bring it out as an option.
Really?
And it's very, very, very rare. If you jump on the auction sites to find one, if you ever find one, you're going to see a huge price tag on these.
All the old Nismo logo stuff is crazy expensive.
Correct.
Yeah, and you can really see, like, I feel like a lot of design aspects of this front bumper kind of made its way to the 34 with like a lot of the ducting and stuff in the 34 front bumper. So it's kind of cool to see that.
Yep.
But should we pop the hood?
Let's do it.
Let's have a look what's inside, guys. Also, I love these carbon fiber vents. That's nice.
How about you take a picture of this beautiful seat with the Nismo logo on it?
Oh, that is so much money.
This game,
I've seen a pair of seats on auction.
400Rs, and it's a beautiful.
Oh my gosh, old logo. The wheels too. Are these LM GT1s?
This is LM GT1s, and this is
so nice.
This is 18 by 10s. It's beautiful.
That's a good size.
You got the sign here. That is my old logo.
Dude, everyone's geeking out over this right now watching the video.
It's a beautiful color, man. You gotta see
so
it in person,
good.
like you here watching it now. Here we go. Let's do it.
Dang, this is money.
That's right,
guys. How much are these selling for now? Like 30 grand or something?
These ones in particular, they're about 15,000.
Okay.
So the next logo up is about 10,000.
Okay.
And you got the old school ones. They go close about $35,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Jeez.
So people don't know the Nismo. Even this air plenum here, this is old school.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So we can tell by the O in the Nismo.
Oh, there's like an indented O inside it.
That's right. So this O here is fully red. When you look at the new production, you're going to see it's an O.
Yeah.
So this
like your shirt here, like there's an actual hole in the middle.
That's right.
Interesting.
So this is one style, the old school stuff from the new product.
Wow.
Also, you got the radiator cap, the oil cap. That's also old school.
Okay.
And Sam, for this car here, do you know what production it is? You're gonna look at this badge, and we've got 400R 031. That indicates it's number 31 out of the family, out of the entire 44.
44 of these were made.
Correct.
But in this color, only one.
Only one. There was also one in red, and I think one in yellow.
What?
And that's it. So this is one special car.
Wow.
1 out of 1.
So, correct me if I'm wrong, right? I believe the 400R, there was a production run for like homologation, and they're racing at Le Mans and everything. This was the ones that they made to celebrate the results of Le Mans.
That's correct. This is they're actually intended to make only 40.
Okay.
So they pushed it up to 44. God bless Nissan.
Thank you.
It works out well. But they made 44 in these cars, and that was for the celebration of the 24-hour success they had at Le Mans.
Wow. That's so cool. Nissan used to do some cool stuff, right? I'm not sure about now with the 35 GTR, but
let's pray for the 36.
Yeah, let's please. We've seen some really cool renders of that. Like it'd be cool if they brought that.
36. Hopefully not a hybrid.
So is this a standard 26? Like, is there anything fancy?
No. This is an RBX, and this is a 2.8 liter stroked engine. It's a beautiful engine.
Nice.
The good thing is you can still buy parts for this engine if you want to replicate one.
So what internals are they? Nismo pistons and rods and stuff?
That's exactly right.
Okay,
That's
cool.
Exactly right.
Wow, awesome. Well, there you go. And I guess they got the Nismo titanium intake kit and stuff, and awesome.
This car stands out, Sam.
Oh,
when you open it up, you can see this is an icon.
Oh, for sure. Like, I mean, if the color doesn't stand out alone by itself, like just everything about this, it's wild. Look at that, dude. The blue with the LM GT1 wheels. Everything about this is beautiful.
And even a standard LM these days, you don't see it on the road in Japan.
No.
So even there's
You'd be crazy though.
Yeah, I mean, look, even to see a 400R driven on the road is crazy enough.
I would probably cry if I had this car and it got a rock trip. Like I would have to drive it because I love driving my cars. I could never just let them sit 100%. In storage. But I would definitely cry if I got a rock chip on the hood or something.
Comes part of the pleasure, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? We just pulled the Mines 34 GTR out so we can get a better look at it. But Abdul, tell us a little bit about this car. Why is it so special? Why is it one of one? Like, help me understand this.
All right. So this is the only Mines M-Spec NER.
Okay.
So Mines have never built an M-Spec NER before.
Really?
That's correct. All their previous cars has been a N1 cars. And we got 1 Millennium Jade V-Spec 2, which is also with me in Melbourne, that car.
Wow.
So this is the first and only M-Spec NER built by Mines.
Wow, that's so cool. So, I mean, run me through like what kind of like stuff's on this, like what makes it a Mines spec car?
Okay. So obviously with the Mines spec car, Sam, it's the engine, everything to do with the engine. As we know, you probably watch those old videos where the Mines demo car going around the track and the driver's saying, wow, what a car, the speed is crazy. So the power on these engines is what makes it. And also you got the carbon fiber look from the outside. We've got the diffuser, we have the mirror, we've got the rear wing. We've got the titanium exhaust as well on this car. So it's the running gear and it's the exterior. And something so beautiful about this car also, Sam, is the interior.
Okay, so let's start having a look. Like I think this is a Mines featured like mirror.
That green fiber in the mirror.
Wow.
And also the wing.
The wing?
At the back.
Oh, wow.
The stand for the wing as well. That's carbon fiber.
Oh, yeah. The razors. That's cool. And then like a little lip there going on.
Right. And then you can see the Mines logo, and even then here where the wing holder is.
Yeah, that's so nice. I love the color. And I guess that's the Mines color, right?
That's correct. That's the Mines color. Now they're doing black and blue.
Oh, cool.
So obviously it depends what car you got. It looks better. On pure white, the green stands out. Looks really nice. Also got the full titanium exhaust by Mines that's all the way from the engine to the back.
Oh, cool.
So something special. Let's go and look at the interior.
So nice. Yeah, let's do it.
That's right.
Things dreams are made of, man.
Jump in.
Oh, you've got the Mines steering wheel.
Right. So something with the M-Spec NERs, the old stitches that used to be on the seat.
Yeah.
Over here are red. The old stitches are red.
Oh, you're right.
So what we did when we retrimmed the entire interior. Is we done it white to suit the exterior color of the car.
Oh, that's very nice.
Also, we've got here carbon fiber that's been replaced. Now, this computer is HKS I think.
Oh, boost controller, yeah.
Boost controller. That's also we've got 4 different maps on this boost controller.
Oh, that's cool.
And they also done it on 98. They tuned it to 98. So
also
really
high
good.
octane here.
Yeah. Yes. Well, in Japan they got 100, don't they?
Yeah, we have 100 at the moment.
Well, in Australia we got only 98, and so they tuned it for us. So good on them. We got the titanium shift knob, also by Mines.
Oh, nice.
Which we still got the sticker. We've got to place somewhere here, so we haven't done that yet.
Yeah.
We have the gear lever also with the Mines logo.
Beautiful.
We've got Alcantara everywhere, so that everything's been retrimmed into Alcantara.
Wow.
It's beautiful finish, man. Like
it looks amazing, yeah. I mean, one thing about the 34s was this piece here always had that weird coating that would go bad, like in the sun.
That's the serious one.
Yeah.
But that's not the worst part. The worst part is when they change the radio here.
Yeah.
They always scratch the hell out of it.
Always.
And that's the most annoying thing I've ever found.
Frustrating thing. You could have the cleanest 34, the moment you sit in it and see all the scratches there, you're like, nah.
Exactly. Every time I open a 34, I run here. There's a scratch now.
It's so true.
So a tip for you boys, honestly, if you're going to change your radio here, put a sticky tape.
Yeah.
Not a thick one until you put it in, because it is going to touch. It is going to get scratched.
It always does.
And just rip it off once you're done. Also, we've got the sun visor.
Oh, yeah, you did the roof and everything. Wow.
Mate, they've done a job. They've done a fantastic
job. Beautiful. The seats in the back look amazing too.
And even you sitting in the seat, tell me how comfy it is.
Dude, it's amazing. Like, this actually feels super comfy. I love it. I'm about it.
And this is the thing about the Mines. Let's pop up the hood, man.
Let's do it. Let's have a look in the engine bay. I gotta ask, Abdul.
Yep.
Have you ever been into VL Commodores?
Yes. Oh. Which lever has it? What a question.
What a question. What a loaded question.
All right.
Wow.
So we've got the cooling panel here, which is also a Mines. There's a logo somewhere, but this is a Mines cooling panel.
Nice.
All right. We got the Mines engine. Obviously, you can tell from here.
Oh wow, this crinkle paint is amazing.
All right. So this is a 2.8 high response. Inside the internals are HKS.
Really?
Yeah. We've got carbon fiber inlets.
Inlets.
And we've got the titanium stripe brace.
Wow.
We also got the Nismo air
intake. Yeah. Oh, I see what you say there with the O. Yeah.
That's correct. Yeah. If you compare, yes. This is new style.
Yeah.
This is new style of Nismo. And this is the car in general. So
yeah, I gotta say the engine bay is absolutely amazing. It looks
looks good.
Immaculate.
We'll go for a spin in it, and you'll get to hear it.
Oh really? You gonna take us out for a drive?
We'll take you out for a drive, man. Don't worry.
Ooh.
Let's go. Where's Dustan? Can we take the 400R Dustan? Come on. Let's make a special video.
You gonna take it? We're gonna go for a drive.
Let's do it. You guys.
What are you gonna drive? What are you gonna drive?
Of course, 400R.
What? What do you mean? Who says that casually? Of course, 400R. This guy. All right, let's go for a drive. Oh man, this is wild, guys.
Here's the thing, guys. So we have 2 legendary cars here at the shop. Of course, one of them is 400R LM, one of its kind.
Yep.
And the other one is Mines M-Spec newer, one of its kind. So we have 2 cars, rares of it all, and all of you guys who's watching, here's a strike question. Which one would be your pick? You know what I mean?
Oh, what would you pick?
Yeah, exactly. So comment and let us know. You'd love to see how many actually 400R we see, or how many Mines we see. So that's gonna be really fun to see.
That's
a hard question. I'm trying to think that through now.
Here's the thing: you gotta select one of them and stick to it.
Okay, Dastan,
Yes,
which
sir.
one would you pick?
That's a you put me on that.
Gassed up.
And nothing too crazy, huh?
Nothing too crazy, right? Dude, the interior looks so good in this. Oh, she pulls! What? We need one of those again. Now, jam, man.
Oh, this time
Were we spinning all four for a second there on that second?
I don't know, mate.
Damn, this thing actually rips.
You know, if you truly want to know the power of this car, you have to be on the track.
Really?
You really need to be on the track. I mean, you can't go over the speed limit.
You can't on the street, yeah.
But the car is crazy. Look at that 400R.
Yeah, I know. The 400R in front is wild. I'll never get used to that.
So obviously here we've got the different maps.
Yep.
So we've got A, B, that's off.
Okay.
B, C, D.
D?
Yeah. And
D mode?
D mode, obviously, once they gave us the papers to tell us, you know, which one is being tuned to do what.
Okay.
So it's really, really awesome.
All right. D mode, I guess, is the beans. The beans
I think so, yeah.
Let me hear that exhaust note a little. Nice. Thank you so much, man, for taking us for a ride.
You're welcome.
Amazing car.
What happens in Japan?
What happens in Japan stays in Japan, are we right? Yeah. Beautiful car. One day I'm gonna own an RB28 GTR 34.
You should, bro. I think you're gonna
Oh, for sure.
enjoy it.
I'd love to have a couple one day. Dreams, man. Dreams right here. That was an absolute treasure. Dustin, thank you so much.
What's up?
Thank you. And of course, Abdul, thank you as well.
Welcome. I hope
Look-
you enjoyed the drive.
Oh man, I definitely did. What happens in Japan stays in Japan. That's right.
And
It was
guys,
it was
if you
great.
get the cash, we can have it delivered to the world as well.
Ah, this guy's, he's always a salesman. He never stops. He never stops. Thank you so much, Dustin, again. Abdul, these are two amazing cars. I'm excited to show you guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Was there always a rock chip there?
What rock chip?
On the front bumper here, the piece of paint missing.
Good.